Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we're opening up a Kinder Beauty box for the month of November. So let's get in and let's get into that box. Okay guys, so welcome back. As I said, we're opening up a Kinder Beauty box. Now this is my first beauty box that's for their subscription. I initially got their fall collection box because I totally got hooked after that. I wanted to give them a try. For those of you who don't know, I gave a better description on, and I'll put that information in the blog, and my blog on the comment section below. So you guys, if you want to check out that first video, it was an awesome it was an awesome one-time purchase. I got their fall collection and it was awesome. From the time when I'm making this video, it's still available, so if you guys want to check that out. And of course, I also have a discount code, which will be in the description box below, of course, as always. Can't think of it offhand. I think it's Welcome 5 for $5 off, but I'll put the information just in case I'm totally wrong in the description box and my blog below. So I kind of got hooked onto, I was taking a look and I kind of wanted to get like a different beauty box from what the normal, what's out there normally. And I came into this one. Now, for those of you who don't know, this is a vegan and cruelty company. I'm actually vegetarian, so this fits me perfect like a glove. So kind of want to get into that vibe just to see. So if you're kind of into natural products, organic products, you want cruelty-free products, and I know that some people are super concerned with cruelty-free products especially, then this is definitely a company that is all about cruelty-free and vegan products if you're concerned about the products that you put on your face and in your skin. So check this out. This one is November. So this is actually, again, this is my very first box. So I do have a monthly subscription, and all that information again will be in my blog in the comments below. But this is my first box. So I know normally they do give you spoilers, so I do put those up on my blog as well. So if you're a subscriber, you already know what's in this box. But if you're not, I know for sure this is like the first time they've actually done just a makeup based subscription. Normally it's a combination of different things, and that's kind of why I subscribe, because I kind of like the variety of their products. So we are getting into their Kinder Beauty box for November. So keep in mind, this is just gonna be makeup. So the very first thing that I am pulling out, just like with that fall collection box, it is what it looks like in here. So they give you the postcard, which I love because it actually gives you a description of the products that are inside and tells you more about it and the retail products. So I love this, and it's super big for my blind eyes. So and then it gives you like the breakdown, which we're not going to talk about yet. So and again, it's 5 different products that you get in each box. So the very first thing I see here is, what is this? This is a dual-ended eyebrow brush. So that is what this is here. So that is really cool, because I know sometimes you need and I'm actually in the process of replacing a lot of things. So I will definitely get use out of that there. So there you go. There's the eyebrow for the liner if you have to, and then there's the brush right there. So this one is retail values for $19. So this is from 100% Pure. This is their 2-in-1 eyebrow brush from 100% Pure. You can apply brow tint and pomades or liquid eye color with a precisely angled brush tip for shaping and relining. Perfect for filling in your eyebrows with powder or gel, which will help you define your tail and patch up any sparse areas. Finish by brushing, taming, and evenly distributing pigment to brows with the spiral spoolie brush. So that is cool. So definitely excited to give that a try. Again, that is $19. And for those of you who are like me, you kind of want to see like a full breakdown of everything, don't worry. You don't have to follow the information here, but I will also have that on my blog in the comments, so don't worry about that. All right, and the next item we have here is from Chella. So you guys can see that it is wrapped. So this is an eyebrow pencil. This came in either light brown or in taupe. So let me see if I can see the color that I have here. Hold on. Oh, this, I'm sorry. This is not, disregard what I just said. Rewind. So see, mistakes can happen. So this is actually a lipstick pencil. So this was in the color, and we'll talk about it more. This is in the color Naughty Nude Lip Pencil. So this is a nude lip pencil crayon. So this retail values for $20. Wrong product, Lynette. So that is really expensive, but you guys gotta keep in mind, I don't know if you guys have ever gone to like Whole Foods and things like that. Those products, those makeup products in that area, because of the ingredients, they do tend to be a little bit more expensive. So I'm not surprised that it's $20. And if I can get this off, that'll be super fresh. So I'm not surprised at the price. So I'm definitely glad to get that, because if you think about it, the subscription is $24. So this right here just paid for my subscription box. All right, so that is what the pencil looks like there. And it's nude. So let me take a look to see how that looks here. And that's a pretty color. I don't tend to wear a lot of colors because I work from home, so I don't need to wear makeup at all. But definitely a color that I would use, so that, you know, if I have to go to store or just want to look decent throughout my day, this is definitely one I will make use out of. So super perfect. And then the next item here we have is, what is this? This is so this is the eyebrow pencil, and this is also from the company Cella. And this either came in a light brown or taupe, and this is $20. Let me go back and give you guys, let me give you guys more information about the lip pencil. Slip your lips into this luxurious, creamy, and it was creamy, Cella lipstick pencil with a high color payoff. This silky matte formula is drenched with vitamin C and E and sunflower oil in a waterproof, non-feathering, and long wearing up to 6 hours. Beautiful. And it is definitely pretty, and it was creamy. So I love that in the lip pencil, because have you ever, back in the day when I was younger, I used to get those lip pencils that were like $1, and they were like chalk. So it didn't feel anything like that at all. So the next thing we have here again is the eyebrow pencil. Before I open it, let me just make sure I can use it. This is taupe. So I'll swatch it, and this is $20. So, because I'm not too sure how that would look. So I'm gonna assume it should be good for me if it's taupe. So let me, if you guys ever worry about getting subscription boxes and things are like sealed, which is good for your safety, these are super sealed, so nobody touched anything here. So let me see here. Okay, so one end you have that brush, and on the other is the pencil. So let me do that swatch here. Okay, so as you can tell, that would be perfect for me. So I'm not mad at that at all. So I will definitely get use out of this. And let me give you guys some information on this one. So this European designed mechanical pencil has a creamy and consistency, that glides into place and can be lightly blended for a truly natural looking finish, complete with a retractable precision, fine tip and brush attachment. Finish with Cella's eyebrow defining gel and Cella highlighter, which are not included, but they're just giving you an idea for everything you need while your brows would look beautiful. So again, $20. Again, it's kind of crazy with the prices, but again, these are totally vegan, cruelty-free products. So that's kind of why the price is there. So the next item here, and I think we're actually missing an item. So I'm sure they will replace that for me. So I'll talk about the next thing I have here, and then I'll show you guys maybe what is missing because I don't see it, but I'll reach out to the company. So the next item I have here is from the company Han. This is an eyeshadow. This comes in either romance or decadent. So let me see what, okay, so I have decadent, and let us do a swatch here. So decadent seems to be more purpley. So if you see that there, it's more of a purple shade. Romance seem to be a little bit less purple, but let's swatch it and check it out. So that's a pretty color. So I'm sure you can build on that to make it darker or just leave it light there, but I will definitely get use out of that one. So let me give you some more information on this one. This is $15. So Han's vegan oil, all natural and talc-free eyeshadows enhance your natural beauty. Healthily. Formulated with natural rice powder instead of talc, Han's eyeshadow collection delivers a smooth finish for blending and building with color derived from natural plant and mineral pigments. Han eyeshadows are infused with organic shea butter and organic argan oil, along with antioxidant-rich super fruit extracts to benefit and nourish the skin. So this again is $15. So again, you could have either gotten that in Decadent, which is what I have, and then Romance. And then the last item here that was not in the box, but it's okay. I will definitely reach out to them. Companies are really good if you ever get like nervous about not receiving something. Companies are really good with always replacing something, the missing items. So I'm sure if they watch this video, they will see if they need the proof. But the next item we had that should have come in the box is from PHB Ethical Beauty. It's their organic eyeliner in black. So that's cool. And that one is $11, and that would have been there. So that one says PBH award-winning natural organic pencil eyeliner is enriched with a gentle, nourishing formula of plant oils and waxes, while being richly pigmented for rich, long-lasting color. Glides on smoothly for fast and easy, accurate application with a long-lasting plant-based formula that is water-resistant yet always gentle to your eyes. Great for super sensitive skin that water easily. And that is actually perfect for my eyes. So that is what that looks like there. So with that being said, if you guys had to give it or compare it with products, because if you're watching this video, more than likely you're into cruelty and vegan items anyway. So comparingly to other products that you guys have tried, what did you guys think? And again, I will put the full retail value of the box in on my blog, so you guys can check that out. But what did you guys think? I actually don't have a lot of cruelty-free products, and I never really gotten into doing the research on the difference. And I think I definitely did my research when I found this company, and I'm so super grateful that I was able to find them, because I kind of love the variety that they give you. So I'm digging the fact that my first box was makeup, so that's cool, because you guys know this channel, all I do is beauty subscription boxes, but I love to switch it up. So Kinder Beauty does give you a variety. So for my first box, this was good, because I can replace items that I have there, maybe want to throw away, because I am in the process of doing that, so I can get more cruelty-free items. So let us do a recap and see what all came, and I dropped something. Let's see what all came in the box. So first we have the Han eyeshadow. So we did get that. And then that one retail valued again for $15. We also have the nude lipstick pencil, which I'm totally digging, and I'm gonna wear this every day. I already know it. That one is $20 from Chella. We also have the from 100% Pure. This is the dual-ended eyebrow brush, and that one was what was it, $19. And then we also have from Chella an eyebrow pencil. This one retail value for $20. And then of course we would have gotten the organic eyeliner, which would have been for $11. So what did you guys think? Are you guys into cruelty-free products? Have you guys ever tried Kinder Beauty before? Definitely let me know in the comment section below. And with that being said, make sure you like and subscribe so you never miss another unboxing. So have a good day, guys.